Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you what I do to clean my Blackstone griddle. Let's go to the Blackstone. All right, so here you have it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down. Made some tacos for the family. Now it's time to clean this. Show you guys what I do. So right now I'm just going to scrape all this out of here. All right, now that I have all that off, I scraped all that out of there. Now what I like to do is have a little rag that I like to reuse. I like to fold it in halves. Like this, I can get it. And I use this. Bring in some water. And that just helps to clean it even better. The way you guys looking now, it's pretty simple. Get the sides. All right, and now to the next step. I get two of these, fold it again, and again, and again. Then I grab this, squish this down a little bit. That's how I'm going to get the oil, like that. So I'm going to put a line in the middle. Spread it all around. You got to get the whole thing. Now the last time I did one of these videos, I used lard. This time I'm using just regular oil so people can see you can use lard or regular oil. Now we're going to do the walls inside. The sides over here. Do the top. And then the back side. There you have it. Ready for the next time when we need to use it. And that's all you need to do. So there you have it, guys. It's quick, it's simple. Doesn't take too much time. You don't have, a lot of people ask questions, do you need to clean it right after you're done cooking? And no, you don't. A lot of people like to clean it right after they're done. It makes it a little bit easier. I've done many times. I have a party and I'm doing this big cook, finish, turn it off, close the lid, and go to the party. Then the next day I come back and then clean it like nothing. So the answer is yes, you can wait at least a day to clean it again. So a lot of questions people ask, oils, about using kind of oil to use. You can use any cooking oil. You can use lard. I like to use lard, but sometimes I'll use the vegetable oil. That's what I use today. The previous video that I did, one of these a while back ago, I used lard. In my opinion, I think lard works better. Let me know in the comments what kind of oil you guys like to clean your Blackstone or even like to cook in. Most of the time is either lard or vegetable oil. Let me know what you guys use. Make sure you hit that boom, hit the subscribe button. More great content coming. You guys don't want to miss any of this. Check out these videos for more great recipes. And I will see you guys next time.